file a nomination for our panel. This is in fact fourth time in a row we are floating a panel. Two times earlier we won all the 11 seats, except last time we lost by one seat. I look forward to basically repeating the feat what we had done earlier, so to sweep the panchayat.
So,
yeah, so this year. Yeah.
So, is there any opposition for you in Talegaon?
Opposition will always be there. Critics are always there. I always welcome the critics. Critics are very important.
Are you hopeful that you will get unopposed your panel?
No, there is no question of unopposed. I want people to fight. Unless you fight, you know what is the ground reality. That is very important for me.
So, what is this thing? What is your what you will be doing? Means asking what's the agenda for this?
See, the most important thing is development is concerned, and most important is other thing is garbage free. That is very important, because garbage is the issue which we are facing, while all the other panchayats also are facing. But we have got a place also, so we expect to have a garbage treatment plant.
So we filed a nomination today, and as MLA of Talegaon, I will be strongly behind my panel, work towards a victory, and we're looking forward to winning all 11 seats. So on the agenda is development as usual, because it never ends. There's always work to do, and I'm sure the panel which we have picked now will work hard towards development of Talegaon and bettering it to what it is right now.
What is the major issue in your area?
The major issue will be water. There's always a problem. There's no proper water supply. That is one issue. Garbage is another issue, and we had actually put forward a file to the government for a treatment plant, but there was no support from them, and we as a panchayat cannot build our own garbage treatment plant, because it's a very expensive issue. So we'll be approaching the government again, since there was a fire, as you all know, a few days back. So we can't let that happen again. So that's why we'll push for the garbage treatment plant in Talegaon.